Hey there, community. I just wrapped the live stream. It was a pop-up show today where we rewrote Colin Walkers' iRules heat map. And because the Google Charts that he used way back in the day has been deprecated. And it's been deprecated for a long time. Still works, but it's deprecated. And so I was looking at what's available to us now. And Google has a new charting with the geo charts. And so we took what he had, swapped out Google Charts for geo charts, also a Google product. And so we went from this to this as an end state. And if you want to look at what those iRules look like, and we're at about 28 lines of code with a super long line here on 11 handling all the charting stuff, very similar where we ended up, different variables, because I know that these are variables that Colin set for what the Google query parameters were, and so it makes sense to match those. But in the case of the new GeoCharts, you supply the data a little differently, and so change that up a little bit. And you see all these squiggly lines where there's some argument injection with the table command in the way that it's set, and so we'll fix that. No explicit priorities on the events, and so we'll fix that. So anyway, we went from the iRule of 28 lines here, and we ended up in a slightly longer, most of it's HTML. So the rule in it, that's really just HTML. And so our iRule difference 38 to 68, 30 lines. So we ended up about the same. Go check out the long version because it was a lot of fun, a lot of engagement. We had several people on the stream who helped me overcome some of the challenges in coding live. I missed a window that was caching the old version of the iRule, and so that took a few minutes to get through as to why my code wasn't, or at least my experience as a user wasn't updating, because I was pretty sure I saved the code. And so we worked through all those issues. The audience was tremendously helpful and engaging, and it was a lot of fun. So, if nothing else, you can just check out the before and after of these iRules in the code share that are going to be linked below. And if you really want to get into just the process of coding and troubleshooting your code as you go, highly encourage you to watch the long version. Thanks a lot.